Hi guys, post-pandemic traveler here in Jakarta. I'm just checking out Lotte shopping mall. So basically I came here earlier today, I got some lunch. It's a really nice shopping mall. They had a money exchange and also a really good place to get SIM cards. I've been to a couple of shops looking for SIM cards, and basically the first one I went to was a complete and utter rip-off. The cheapest one you could get was 45 Australian dollars, and that was the cheapest one with not very much inclusions. But I managed at this Lotte shopping mall to find one that basically is sorry, the security thing just beeped on me, but because I'm white they don't mind, I'm alright. Anyway, so as I was saying, at the Lotte shopping mall in South Jakarta, you can get SIM cards for the cheapest one, I think, was like 15 AUD, and the most expensive was 35 with like lots of inclusions and free internet. So I don't know, they've got something going on here. A little bit loud, but I'm not really sure what it is. If I find out, I'll let you guys know. I'm just going to go get that SIM card. So for now, peace out. Post-pandemic traveler, please like and subscribe.